Okay, so you can literally see it's dark outside. It's 4:30 in the morning and the road is empty. Hey my amazing folks, this is me Komal Gupta and you are watching Komoholic World. So today I woke up very early in the morning. It's 4:35 and I'm all freshen up. I took my shower, everything. I got dressing up also, and actually today I'm going to Mayapur ISKCON temple with my friend and my family. So I thought let me just share you a vlog today. So okay, so I shall see you in a bit. Okay, so it's 5 in the morning and you can see it's dark out here, and some of my members are coming from this that side.
We are heading towards the station to catch up the train for Krishnanagar, and from Krishnanagar we will take another conveyance to reach Navadip. We don't realize the hard work behind the newspaper that we read every day in our home. It takes lots of effort and hard work to distribute the newspaper in our homes. Early morning wake ups are the hardest thing to do ever. Okay, so this is my best friend Neha, and she's waving you all guys. And from this boat, we are going to see the meeting point of two rivers, that is Jalandhi and Bhagirathi. And this is my family members, my aunt, my cousins, my friend. This is the sangam of the two rivers, which is Jalandhi and Bhagirathi. The darker portion that you can see is Jalandhi, and the lighter one is Bhagirathi. It's like Blue Crush is meeting with lemon juice, but they said we can't mix together, otherwise we will ruin each other. Jokes apart, nature is very beautiful. We just have to look around and explore more. Okay, so this is the front gate of Mayapur Dham ISKCON temple. The temple that you can see with the blue dome is world's largest temple of Vedic planetarium, also known as Sri Mayapur Chandrodaya Mandir. Few portion of this beautiful temple is under construction. The temple behind me is the temple where the gorgeous idols of Radha Krishna has been set down. Mobile phones and cameras are not allowed inside the temple. This is the some portion of prasad, and there was more to it, but unfortunately I couldn't get all of it in a single pic, and all of them were really delicious. After the paid puja we went to the Goshala, and this is the main gate of the Goshala. Cows and bulls are held separately over here, and these all are cows. And this is the bulls section. People can also cover up the distance between the Gaushala and the temple through this bullock cart. It's It's rare to see block cart nowadays. Now we are heading back to our home, but this place has cleansed my heart and soul. Hare Krishna.
Hey guys, so I finally reached my home and it was a great day. I enjoyed a lot, but I am tired also, so I will directly jump into my bed. So with that said, I'm just going to end this vlog and I shall see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and have a good day.